Welcome to Infinity with VJ. In this video, we are going to discuss about the problems related to quadratic equation. Find the nature of roots. If real root exists, then find them. In previous class, what we have studied, the discriminant b square minus 4ac. If this is equal to 0, then roots are equal and real. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots are real and they are distinct. Correct? So, if roots are b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there is no real roots. Correct? We have discussed. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are real and they are equal. First question, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. We will compare this in the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a means 2, b is minus 6 and c is 3. B square minus 4ac is equal to, b means here minus 6 whole square minus 4, a means 2, c means 3. Minus 6 whole square means that is 36 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 36 minus 24 means it is 12. B square minus 4ac is equal to 12, which is greater than 0. So, the roots are real and they are distinct. What and all that two roots? Let us see. We know the formula to find out the roots of a given quadratic equation. What is that? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. X is equal to minus b means here minus 6 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac we have found. What is that? 12. We can write it as 12 only directly. Divided by 2 into a is nothing but 2 is equal to minus into minus, that is plus 6 plus or minus 4. 12 we can write it as 4 into 3 square root of divided by 2 into 2, that is 4 plus 6. The square root of 4 is nothing but 2 into remaining root 3 divided by 4. See here, in this 2 is common and we will take that 2 outside. Remaining 2 3s are 6 plus or minus root 3 is remaining, we will write divided by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what and all? 3 plus or minus square root of 3 divided by 2. That is the roots. So they are distinct. See here, x is equal to one possibility is 3 plus root 3 divided by 2 and another root 3 minus root 3 divided by 2. So roots are real and they are distinct. I hope you understood this. If you have any doubts, please put on comment section. Thank you.